I first met Amma and learned about the Amrita ecosystem in the early 2000s. In fact, right around the time of the Indian Ocean tsunami, here was a spiritual teacher who was able to mobilize resources, government services, nonprofit volunteers to impact literally hundreds of thousands of people and make their life better. Not only that, she was leading by example, embracing everybody who came to her, inspiring them for social service, compassion. And it struck me that, a life of service is not just a dream, it's actually a possibility.
मैं चंपारण से हूँ, वो धरती जहाँ सत्याग्रह की नींव रखी गई थी। और आज के समय में सत्याग्रह क्या है? सत्याग्रह है रियल सोसाइटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन। और अमृता ये करने में कभी भी पीछे नहीं हटा है। हम शिक्षा के माध्यम से बहुत बड़ा सोशल इम्पैक्ट लाते हैं। और आज फरीदाबाद में जब हम इस संस्थान की शुरुआत कर चुके हैं, हमने छोटे छोटे कस्बों में, गलियों में इन चेंजेस को महसूस किया है।
तो मैं फरीदाबाद में ही पैदा हुई हूँ और मेरे को बहुत गर्व होता है कि मेरे फरीदाबाद में मेरे घर के पास एक विश्व स्तर की यूनिवर्सिटी और अस्पताल है यहाँ पे।
These days, people are talking a lot about India. It's incomparable to any other nation in the world, but because of something else. And it's called data. And what we're trying to do at the Department of Public Policy is to create a class of students who know how to use that data using emerging technologies like AI, machine learning tools, for real sustainable development, for social impact and social change.
देखा जाए तो हमारे पास डेटा हर जगह है, पर उस डेटा को एविडेंस बनाना, उस डेटा को डिसीजन मेकिंग में यूज़ करना, उसके लिए एक सर्टेन स्किल और नॉलेज की ज़रूरत है। इस संस्थान में हम वही स्किल और नॉलेज देते हैं।
I have a master's from UK, even though they gave me a theoretical foundation. Here in Faridabad, they gave me a practical exposure, how a policy is made, how data is collected.
This M.Sc. Social Data Science and Policy course is made to train the next generation of leaders in India. Our mission is to prepare you to take on the challenges of this country and the rest of the world and make a real difference.
We have fantastic policies, schemes and legislations. The real challenge is executing it.
I'm an engineer. In engineering, things are simple. Either A is better or B. And when I did my Teach for India fellowship, there was no right answer to what would work in a classroom. I wanted to know what works with people, what works in the minds of people. And for that, I thought I needed an additional degree. That's why I joined this program. Social data science and policy is not just about the data science. It is also about the social and the policy angle of it, where you are not just thinking about individuals as if they are machines and they are pieces in the system. You think that they are human beings and you do not just think of data as numbers. You know that these numbers represent people. And that's why I joined this course.
Today, the world's development sector needs specialists, and India is creating them.
In order to do the most good for the most amount of people, you have to understand the problem. That gyan, that knowledge is essential.
From India to the world, from Faridabad to the world, and from Amrita to the world.